beautiful artists, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Imen. I'm giving a tutorial drawing video for kids and beginners. Just before we start, I want to say thank you so much for who subscribed to my channel. We will arrive soon 300 subscribers. I'm so excited about this number. Thank you so much that you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll put the button here, I think so, from here, and you can follow me in Instagram and Facebook if you like that. And yeah, let's go. Guys, just before we start, I wanna explain something. I'm sorry if you see me have a problem in saying words and talk, because I'm really facing a problem. It's not only a problem, it's a big problem. I have we call it here phobia. I don't know in English what we call it, but I have a phobia to talk in front camera. I'm facing the death. I'm dying. Did you know, guys? I don't know. I'm so afraid to talk in front camera like this. I don't know why. And I'm alone in the room. It's look like I get crazy. I talk to myself. I don't know. So guys, sorry if I talk, if I say, sorry, you see, if I say wrong words or I can't, species, I think so, to speak it. Okay, sorry guys. So yeah, let's go,
A few moments later.
Let's start our video. So today our drawing will be how to draw a teddy bear. If you are interested to learn how to draw other animals like this, I will put the playlist here, tutorial drawing playlist, to see it. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe, the button here, I think so, and like and follow me in Instagram or Facebook as you like. And yeah, let's go to our studio.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some wine. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let go of the rules, cause there's so much fun. Are you loving it, feeling it, touch me, are you in it? Don't say what you're seeing, untypical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. Now come alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave and live. I know you're bored. How does does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how sad.
So guys, we are at the end of the video. I wish this tutorial was helpful, and thank you so much for your time to see my video, and you at the end of the video to see me now I talk to you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like we say every time. Don't forget follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and yeah, see you next video. Bye bye.